So we get a lot of Teslas here. So whenever we see a car that's not a Tesla, like this thing, pretty exciting. Not too many of these come into the shop. So seeing one of these always is exciting, at least for me, just because it looks so nice. It looks so aggressive. Look how new this car is. It's so new, the plastics are still on the screens. Oh, isn't that amazing? Oh, it smells so good.
It looks amazing. They made it look like a Lambo, huh?
Dustin.
Only it can't turn as well.
Sean says it looks like drives like
You're a racist, bro. I'm digging it.
Wow, this is the first car I've seen you like. What's wrong with the interior?
It's like, would you like a wall between me and the passenger? Sure, let's put a wall up. And then line it with buttons. Man, this is very angular. Everything's so angular.
So we're doing the full front end on this car, PPF, and then we're gonna be tinting it, but that's just not it. I believe we're also putting new wheels on this car. I don't know which ones they are. I don't even know if they're in yet. So as this project continues, we'll figure out and find out what we are doing as we go.
Look how sharp that is. You could crack somebody's skull on right there. Jason Statham, we were fighting in the parking garage. Like, get it. How solid this is. I mean, that'll really kill somebody. Corvette Stingray Steve Irwin edition. It's so badass it'll kill you.
What's wrong with you? I told you that we're actually doing wheels for the Corvette, and they actually came in. So here they are. We're doing Vossen's 21s 12x12 and 20x9 in the front. Oh, nice. Vossen HF-3s in gloss black. I've done a unboxing of this wheel before on the channel, so if you guys want to see that, just search that up and you can actually see more detailed shots of it. But this is a nice clean wheel. The wheels right now are silver, as you can see. They don't really have much of contrast. They just kind of blend in with the color of the car. Cool thing is the wheels are going to make the calipers pop like crazy now. Dustin, are you excited? Why? Do you ever worry that maybe you're getting grumpier as time goes on? Does that scare you? One day you're gonna walk through that door and you're gonna look like that grandpa from Up, and you're gonna fly away in your house.
He's got a house, he's winning.
The Vossen caps now come in a Vossen box. Like normally it's just like a regular white box. Like a lot of manufacturers, they just wrap the center caps in bubble wrap. Vossen actually made a little box just for the center caps for each one. That is so cool.
I hate it when it pops.
Now with the new Vossen wheels on, the Vette looks so much better and the calipers even pop more now. Since it's a brand new car, we wrapped the entire front end so it won't get rock chips, and we tint the windows to get that extra bit of privacy since it was pretty clear before. Biggest change though is obviously the wheels. Color matches better, the spoke design matches better, and the fitment is even better. Back wheels have a good concavity, and it's really the perfect spoke design for this new body style. Really open and track oriented. Let me know what you think of this setup in the comments below.